Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Be More. So, today we are going to talk about the topic of, can money really buy happiness? Let's dive into it. The question of whether money can buy happiness has been a topic of discussion for a long time, and opinions vary depending on who you ask. According to research in positive psychology, it is a popular belief that money cannot buy happiness. However, this conclusion is not entirely accurate. Studies have shown that income and happiness have a positive correlation, although it is not a linear relationship. As income increases, its contribution to overall life satisfaction becomes less significant. The impact of additional income is most substantial for those with limited financial resources, but it remains a factor even after basic needs are met. Positive psychologists must take their data seriously and acknowledge that income does play a role in happiness, even if it is not the most crucial factor. While rampant materialism should be discouraged for psychological and moral reasons, money does have some significance. As Mae West famously said, "I've been rich, and I've been poor, believe me, rich is better." The connection between money and happiness. To begin with, let's consider a thought experiment. Suppose we have two individuals named Elon Musk, a billionaire, and John Smith, with an average net worth. If their wealth was suddenly doubled, who do you think would experience greater happiness? While Elon may be pleased with the additional funds, his life is unlikely to be drastically altered due to his immense wealth. On the other hand, John could potentially use the extra money to improve his family's quality of life, pay off debts, or achieve a better work-life balance, leading to a significant boost in overall satisfaction. Similarly, when we analyze the data across various countries, we see a similar pattern. As I reflect on my own financial growth over time, it's clear that my quality of life has improved. This personal experience sheds light on the correlation between money and happiness, which positive psychologists distinguish between in terms of pleasures and comforts. Pleasures are fleeting by nature, as we quickly adapt to them. Conversely, comforts are not immediately apparent to us, unless they are lacking. This phenomenon is known as the big yellow taxi effect, that failing to appreciate what we have until it's gone. The study involved more than 1,000 students, who were about to graduate from the University of British Columbia. They were asked to assess whether they valued time or money more, with almost half of them prioritizing money. Their happiness levels were measured before graduation and again 1 year later. The results showed that students who prioritized money were less happy a year after graduation, compared to those who prioritized time. This was true even when their happiness levels before graduation and socioeconomic backgrounds were taken into account. It's important to note that this doesn't mean money doesn't play a role in happiness. Research shows that wealthier people are generally happier. However, it's how we spend, save, and think about money that determines how much joy we get from it. So, if you want to increase your happiness, focus on spending money on experiences rather than material possessions. According to a loan applicant survey, more than 80% of people under 30 reported that buying experiences, such as trips, concerts, or special meals, made them happier than buying material things like gadgets or clothes. However, it's easy to get caught up in material possessions, because they're easy to compare. For example, research shows that people become careless with their existing products when a desirable upgrade becomes available. This behavior is due to the fact that material things are easy to compare, making them often unsatisfying. In contrast, experiences are not as easily comparable. 2. The limits and problems with money. The improper use or handling of money can lead to negative and harmful outcomes. Following are some of the issues we are having with money. 1. Instability. A major disadvantage of money is its value fluctuation, which creates instability in the economy. An excessive amount of money reduces its value and causes inflation, resulting in an increase in the price level. Conversely, a shortage of money increases its value and results in deflation, which causes a decrease in the price level. Inflation distorts the distribution pattern in favor of the wealthy, causing the rich to become richer, and the poor to become poorer. Deflation, on the other hand, leads to unemployment and hardships for the working class. 2. Income inequality. Excessive use of money, and its inflationary effect can create and widen the gap in the distribution of income and wealth. This can divide society into haves and have-nots, and result in class conflicts between them. 3. Overcapitalization. Easy access to borrowing and lending facilities due to money can cause certain industries to use more capital than required. Overcapitalization results in overproduction and unemployment. 4. Misuse of capital. Money is the basis of credit and leads to the creation of more and more credit. Credit creation, if not matched by increased production, leads to an inflationary rise in prices. 5. Black money and political instability. Wide price and business activity fluctuations caused by money can lead to political instability, resulting in a change of government. Money is also the root cause of thefts, murders, frauds, and other social evils. 3. The importance of money. According to John Yahimovich, financial stability plays a significant role in enabling individuals to overcome the everyday challenges of life, rather than just focusing on acquiring larger homes or better vacations. Financial stability not only provides luxuries, like expensive dinners and lavish vacations, but also helps people avoid everyday stressors. Money provides a sense of control and calmness, enabling people to navigate unforeseen hurdles, from minor inconveniences such as dodging a rainstorm by ordering an Uber, to more significant concerns like unexpected hospital bills. The impact of money on reducing stress and increasing happiness extends to both the poor and more affluent Americans who face financial scarcity. In 2019, 1 in every 4 Americans faced financial scarcity, as reported by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. These findings are particularly relevant now, with inflation affecting the ability of many Americans to afford basic necessities such as food and gas, and COVID-19 continuing to disrupt the job market. So, in this video, we talked about relationship between money and happiness, its limitations, issues, and importance. To sum up the context, although studies suggest that wealthier people are generally happier, valuing money more than time can have the opposite effect. However, even a small amount of extra cash in your savings can improve your overall life satisfaction. So, did we really get the answer to the very first question? Start by asking yourself, what non-essential purchases am I making? Are they genuinely contributing to my happiness? If the answer is no, try taking a break from those expenses. Other research suggests specific ways to spend your money that promote happiness, such as investing in experiences, buying more time, and helping others. It's worth noting that the spending choices that promote happiness can vary depending on individual personalities. As research continues to evolve, there may be more tailored advice to help individuals maximize their happiness with their money. Comment below if you have any interesting thoughts about this. Subscribe our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.